cooking class you will learn how to make delicious healthy treats, pies, cookies, cakes, galettes, tarts, vegan, plant-based, which are healthy and nutritious. My name is Barbara. I'm a vegan baker and a holistic nutritionist. Creating structure and flavor with vegan ingredients is not always an easy task, but I will show you how you will overcome these little hurdles. Instead of using milk, butter and eggs, I will show you tips and tricks how to use vegan alternatives such as like a curdled buttermilk, a flaxseed egg. This all helps as a leavener for the cakes. In this course I will show you how to create delicious and healthy cakes and pies with vegan, natural, healthy ingredients.